I know you're tired of feeling like your crush doesn't notice, and sadly, on your worst day, you really have no chance. What if I told you that you still do have a chance? And you might say, there's no way she's gonna like me after what she saw. Trust me, with these things that I'm about to tell you, she will. So, you ready to learn how to make your crush like you? Okay, let's begin. One of the most important things you can do is be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, as this will only lead to disappointment and frustration in the long run. What works for someone else is not guaranteed to work with you. Instead, be authentic and genuine. This will show your crush that you're a real person with real emotions and that you're not afraid to be vulnerable. Another important factor is to show interest in your crush. Ask them questions about themselves and listen to their answers. Show genuine interest in their life and what they have to say. This will help them feel valued and appreciated and will make them more likely to be attracted to you. To really make her like you, try to do things that another guy might not be doing who always might have interest in her. Don't do anything weird though, because that can make her lose interest if you do it the wrong way. It's also important to be kind and respectful to your crush, even when you're having a bad day. Treat them with kindness and respect, and show them that you're a good person worth getting to know. This will help them see you in a positive light, and will make them more likely to be attracted to you. Confidence is another key factor in attracting your crush, even on your worst days. Try to project confidence and self-assuredness, even when you're feeling down or insecure. This will show your crush that you're strong and a capable person, and will make them more likely to be attracted to you. Finally, having a sense of humor can be very attractive. Being able to laugh at yourself and find humor in difficult situations can help you connect with your crush on a deeper level. Don't take yourself too seriously and try to find the humor in your bad days. Funny guys never lose. If you can make a girl laugh, well, then your chances are really high of getting her. This will help your crush see you as a fun and interesting person, and will make them more likely to be attracted to you. And that's just a few tips I shared with you. There are so many more tips and tricks to explore when it comes to making your crush like you. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos.